How to fix fast charging not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix fast charging not working on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys do is you might want to restart your device. So for that, you can head over to your accessibility tool, tap on device, tap on more, and then tap on restart. If that does not work, what you can do is you can long press on your volume up button, long press on your volume down button, and then press on your sidebar until the Apple logo appears. That will force restart your iPhone. After that, you can then head over to your settings. On your settings, you will see the battery option. Tap on it. And after you've tapped on it, you will see different options here. So you can head over to your battery health and charging. After you're there, you will see your peak performance capability, your maximum capacity, and optimized battery charging. So simply turn this battery charging, just turn it on. If it's turned off, turn it on. And yeah, after that, you can then head back. Now, for the final step, what you might want to do is you might want to simply check for any debris in your charging port. Clear out your debris on the charging port, and also make sure that the cable you're using is correct. And yeah, do not use duplicate cables, as that might damage your battery, which will also cause for slow charging. And that's how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.